So the given questions is that name the paths A, B and C shown in the following diagram and state the function of each. So A we can see it is anther. B is style, which is part of it. And C is OD. Now we come to the function of each. So anther, it produces pollen grains which are necessary for pollination. Style, it provides a path through which pollen can reach the ovule or the egg cell, through which the pollen tube grows and reaches the ovary. Ovary, it contains ovules, which are which, and each ovule contains egg cell, that is the female gamete through which the male gamete fuses and develops into fruit after fertilization.